All right, to program the controller, it's gonna be very straightforward. Hold that top back button for a few seconds, and then it should start blinking right in the front. Boom, it's blinking in the front. I wanna program my back paddle to the Y. So we're gonna press the Y. It flashes really fast, and then boom, we press on the button that you want on the back. Now, this does happen pretty quick, so I'm just gonna go through it again one more time. You're gonna hold this button up here for a few seconds. This will start blinking, which means it is now time for you to pick which button you want on the back buttons. So for me, I picked Y. So what I did is I pressed Y, and then it started blinking really fast. And then what I did is I pressed the button I wanted on the back for it to be. Now, as you can see over here, I picked the Y button, and that is to jump. And then now I programmed it to the back button. And again, that is to jump. Now you program your controller and you're not really feeling it and you want to change it. Again, super simple. Press that top button and hold it down until it flashes. And then whichever button on the back you want to reset, just tap it again one more time. This will go solid, and that means you've reset the button on the back. As you can see here, it's not jumping. So that's done. Now, again, if you guys found this video informative, drop a like and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.